I found a snake downstairs in the house. Somebody please come pick me up.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, I did find a snake. And it's after 9 o'clock now. I called my mama and I was like, Ma. She's like, what? Because she heard how I said Ma. And I was like, I think there's a baby snake in the cabinet, in the bottom cabinet. And she was like, call 911, I'm on the way. So I called 911 and I'm like, yeah, I think, no, I said there's a baby snake in the cabinet. And I don't know who I'm supposed to talk to, but somebody need to get here. So she was like, okay, give me your address and that. So then I just closed the cabinet, the cabinet door back, and I just checked, like, because it's been an hour since I called the police, who transferred me to animal control. But yeah, it's been an hour since I called and talked to them, and they said that they were going to escalate it and send someone out, but they're still not here yet. So I decided that I'm going to go downstairs and meal prep, because yeah, I won't have to do it when I get home from work today. So that's what I'm about to go do. So I'm about to go make my potatoes, my squash, and my green beans, so I can just come home and relax. So yeah, there's a snake downstairs.
Snake on the screen though. Me, I saw that snake. Took the flashlight and just guided down the screen door to get him off the screen door to guide him out. Cause you know they like, shoot, I was screaming.
If I'd have found it, I'd have been screaming too. Cause she was here by herself.
Oh wow.
She's a brave soldier.
Well, she braver than I am when it comes to stuff like that, because I don't like anything that can move faster than me.
I'm trying to tell you, because I would have been sitting outside waiting on that woman by myself. I ain't finna be sitting up in here knowing this.
I done made some eggs.
This child done made breakfast.
Sausage.
She done seen the snake and made breakfast.
What? She was still cooking with the darn snake up under there.
Yeah. That child was hungry. She wasn't talking about that snake.
She done got her,
Huh?
got her pot that she was going to use and kept on.
Yeah, because it was...
I closed the cabinet
She
back.
closed the cabinet and got and did what she had to do. Then she was sitting around. She was like, I'm going to make my potatoes for the night. Got a pan out the other cabinet and started making her potatoes for the night.
Oh, God.
I was like, Lord.
I wouldn't even been in the house.
No, I've been sitting in my car. If she wasn't here, I've been in my car waiting on them people.
And the snake was still sitting in the same place.
Yeah, down there curled up.
Oh, God, Lord. Jesus.
Yeah, that's...
Saturday. It's like 8 something. I woke up at like 7 something. I went to sleep at like maybe 1 something because I worked my part-time last night. But I am up, I am dressed. Me and my mom, or should I say my mom and I, are about to head to the gym. I have on my black owned Ascend apparel. I'll put the website in the description box below. But these are some comfortable workout shoes. I love them. Just a good everyday shoe, to be honest. But so yeah, this is what I'm wearing today. These are so soft and I love the color. But yeah, we're about to go to the gym, and I'll probably go get me an acai bowl afterwards. And then I found the perfect furniture and I'm going to go make a payment on it today. So yeah, I have a busy day today, but we're gonna get a lot accomplished. I'm gonna try to film some content as well. My mama's outside blowing leaves. But anyways, I just wanted to check in with you guys, and I'm gonna call y'all back. Sis is tired. My mom and I just worked out. You want some hand sanitizer?
I got some, but yeah, I'll take some. I've been using it.
Huh?
I've been using it through the gym.
Where your water?
Right there. Can I get it?
So do you want me to take you home, or you want to go to the acai thing?
Hold on.
Yeah, we worked out for almost an hour. It was like 56 minutes. It's a great workout. Good job. I'm about to go get me an acai bowl, and then I need to go get my nails done. I need to get my car washed. Is it supposed to rain, first of all?
Mm-hmm.
It is?
I think so.
Oh, it's supposed to rain Tuesday. I really do need my car washed, so I'll probably still go get it washed. I need to get my nails done. Oh, we gotta go to the furniture store. Do you want to go with me to the furniture store?
Mm-mm.
No, why? I already know what I want, and I want you to test out the couch.
How am I gonna test out the couch?
She's
I'm gonna
going.
go to sleep on it?
Yes, she's going because I'm driving.
Take me home. I got stuff to do in the yard. I need to go to well, I'm going with you because we can go to Big Lots. Nah, right up there. If I gotta compromise, you gotta compromise.
I'm gonna say that. Where's Big Lots?
Talked about it's off of Tryon. You know where
I gotta go somewhere over Tryon. I'm glad you said that. Okay, we got some stuff to do. See ya, I'll call y'all back. So this place is called Rico's Acai. I got extra granola. The one yesterday, was it yesterday? Was it? Wasn't it? No, it was the day before that. The one I went to the other day put my granola in my thing, but I guess this is 2 packs. So this is the rainbow with kiwi, pineapple, strawberry, blueberry. It has the puree and granola at the bottom. And Mama got the same thing. I'm not sure. Oh, this is mine. This has banana. Yours has banana too. They gave you a lot of, what's the name though? Granola. I love granola. You like granola?
Can I have my card, please?
I ain't give it to you?
No. Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
The bitch try to call me a thief. You know, the first time I had this, I did not like it. I didn't like the puree. I didn't think it had no taste to it. Oh, I did. I added Nutella, by the way. Pull up in the Come on. This is breakfast. For lunch, I'm gonna have fried chicken. I'm kidding. I ain't having seafood in a minute though. Alright, y'all. We're gonna eat and enjoy. And I'm gonna call y'all back. Yeah, I just walked out the nail salon and this guy is out here playing a violin. I really do wish I had some cash to give him because he sounds so good. What I need to do. So I'm leaving the nail salon. I need to go get some gas because I didn't have a chance to before my nail appointment. So I need to go get some gas. I was gonna wash my car. I still might. It's over there by the gas station, so let's see. I didn't spend too much money today. I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to go home, y'all. Okay, so
Mama is so cold, I think I'm done with ice. Birds, if I leave her, she gon' die. Well, bitch,
okay, let's see. Gas, car wash, nail salon. I mean, gas, car wash, and water. And then we can go home. Yeah. I am literally tired. I'm so tired. I've been out all day. I just got out the shower, so okay. Wow. So yeah, I just got out the shower. I'm about to finish up my facial routine, my skincare routine, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and make me a smoothie. I did a lot today. I did everything I was supposed to. I got my car wash. I got my nails done. Here are my nails, by the way. My hands are ashy now, but I went for pastel colors. So yeah, I got my nails done. Got a car wash, vacuumed it out. I went to Target. I'll show y'all the dress up. What am I doing? Bro, what the hell? I'm tired, y'all. I told y'all. So yeah, yeah, I went to Target. I bought this dress. It was only $10. It's a blue and white tie-dye dress. Hold on, I'll show you. So it looks like this. It was only $10. Yeah, so it's a cute little midi dress. It has a split right here, and I tried it on and it's very form-fitting, so can't wait to wear this. So yeah, let's go downstairs and make this smoothie. Okay. So my trainer told me that I need to start basing my my smoothies with water versus milk, so I'm gonna try to do that. I am gonna add a little bit of juice. I have this organic pear juice. Can you see it? Yeah, so I have this organic pear juice from Sprouts. I'm gonna use this. It tastes so good. So I have this mixed fruit. It has pineapple, sliced strawberries, peaches, and mango. I think I'm gonna cut a banana in half and just eat the other half, and that's gonna be my dinner. Oh, let me get a bottle of water. Emma's dying. But let me know in the comments what you have as your base, whether you use water or some kind of milk for your smoothies. Let's not get my banana. And we're gonna call it a night. I'm so tired. Oh, I also got some peanut butter just to thicken it. And peanut butter is filling, so I'm gonna add some of that in there. And we're gonna see how it turns out. Let's taste. That's good. So I did probably about 75% water. And then the rest, this. That was good. Ooh, that was good. All right. Let me clean up so I can finish up for the night. And we can go to bed, child.